Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 10. Different occupations. Knowledge acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the different types of occupations. The rural occupations. To meet out our basic needs of food, clothes and a house, we have to earn money. For the purpose, all of us have to do some work when we grow up. Now, you understand that why your father or even mother work and go out every day. Occupation, any work which we do to earn money is called an occupation. The occupation depends upon skills and needs we have. Some people are good at working as carpenters. Some people are skilled to work as farmers while some are laborers. We also have people working as doctors, nurses, teachers, engineers, soldiers, etc. Here we will study about a few occupations practiced by the people of India. In rural areas, farming, animal husbandry and fishing are the main occupations. In urban areas, computer-related works, call centers, banking, textiles, information technology, multinational companies, national companies, hospitals, government sectors, etc. are main fields of attractions, and they are functioning in cities and towns. Urban occupations. These occupations are not based on agriculture. Urban occupations provide services to the educated people. Some of the people run businesses too. Many people work in industries and offices. Others sell things in shops and markets, supermarkets, malls and multiplexes. Some other urban occupations are those of doctors, engineers, teachers, actors, singers, dancers, soldiers, reporters, bankers, pilots, artists, lawyers, etc. Rural occupations. Farming. In India, farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. They are called farmers. A farmer needs fertile soil and water to grow crops. A variety of crops like fruits, vegetables, food grains, oilseeds, sugarcane, cotton, jute, tea, coffee, pulses, spices, rubber and nuts are grown in our country. Farmers also rear cattle for milk, meat and other purposes. The agricultural practice of breeding and raising livestock is called cattle rearing or animal husbandry. Poultry farming is also the occupation of a large number of farmers in our country. They look after hens, ducks and geese on the poultry farms for eggs and chicken. Fishing. People living in coastal areas earn money through fishing. Since India has a long coastline and the sea is full of a variety of fish, many people living near the coast catch fish from the sea. Fish is not only sold for food in the local market, it is also salted, tinned and exported to other countries. Fish are also used to produce fish oil. Forestry. It is another occupation. Mostly people work in forests and earn money. In India, there are live most of the Tiavan Bialis also. Their basic occupation is forestry. People living in forests collect different forest products such as rubber, honey, gum, latex, wood, etc. These materials are used in factories to make other products like furniture, paper, rubber, glue, cardboard, matchboxes, erasers, tires, etc. Handicrafts. It is one of the main occupations of the villagers. People make pottery, basket by weaving, glassware, jute material, etc. Cottage industries. Weaving is the art of making textile products like rugs, carpets, cloth, etc. People do such work in the community at their place with less material, equipment, and machinery, and with very little investment. It is called cottage industries. It includes weaving, dyeing, designing, printing, embroidery, tailoring, etc. Mining. People dig out rocks, bring out petroleum and minerals such as coal and iron from deep inside the earth. This occupation is called mining. We get oil, petrol, diesel, iron, copper, aluminium, coal, gold, diamond, etc. from mining and afterwards processes. Metals extracted from the minerates which are used for making all type of vehicles. Except all above, there are many more occupations that people follow. Some people work in the film industry. They make films and entertain people. Some do jobs in offices, while others have their own businesses. Some people take up sports as a means of earning money. They are called sportspersons. Continuous review. Any work which we do to earn money is called an occupation. Farming, animal husbandry, and fishing are main occupations in rural areas. Forestry is another occupation. People mostly work in forests and earn money. Weaving is the art of making textile products like rugs, carpets, clothes, etc.
Like, share and subscribe.